Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kat ba kisngi, syak election kila nangjan hakani kejala ki Kyrtong jong kiseng sain perthai ba pero kila nangjan sya upat ba ban pensngau yaki nongrem trekam jongki. Sakawai na kejelang kebala yo ban sakhi kadai kebala pelong da Kyrtong jong kiseng National People's Party uba kupar nongrom uban yakhon na Nongthymmai Constituency. Ubala pelong ya kejelang ha khatnyo trek mentau rempang Rynjah Shillong. Hakani kejelang uba kupar nongrom ulaong balada usah jet komunomi khman sakayeng terbar thawan un persang banwanra ya kapule puthi khamtam na kabenta kibriu kibawan na kilong yeng longsam kibadong. Shosho ulaong ru bon ki khana samla hapo Nongthymmai Constituency kibawan na kilong yeng bedok. Kiju kamai jakpo na dum step hadu bandadum kebeneng. Bat dai ban penkalano ya kani. Ban yo ya kejing nang start. Bat nalor kani ulaong ru ya kawai kabenta bah lor kejing don kam banwanra no da ki CCTV hakisnong ki thau ban Leit na kinu ki kam sneu khamtam hakapor memien bat sakawai pat kamat ka baula kran kadai halor ka hakabau laong ba ka Nongthymmai Constituency kadai ka than ka bakardo bha ka baladon kam man pembai no marmar ya kani ka kam namar bon kinong sosnong kani ka than kila ot halor kani.
The National People's Party believes in real issues. It believes that if we go to the people to seek their votes, we should be prepared also of what we want to do if we form the government. The National People's Party has looked at the different problems that we have faced as citizens residing in this state. We have many problems related to healthcare, poor sanitation, water, education, and some of the most serious problems include employment generation. These are some of the issues that even our national president, our Honorable Member of Parliament, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, has spoken about from time to time. And he has assured the people of the state that we will leave no constituency undeveloped. If voted to power, we will ensure that all constituencies are treated equal as far as development is concerned. And it is with that firm hope that we come together today and appeal once again to you, the electorate of this constituency, the 21 Nongthymmai constituency, to kindly favor the National People's Party candidate with your vote.
At the very outset, and as I know all of you, you read newspapers, you see news on TV, you see WhatsApp and whatnot. And I'm sure that many of you have seen the prevailing situation that is there in our state. And as my previous speaker has hinted you, that issues were left behind that concerns the well-being of the people. We from the NPP, we are not much concerned with those petty issues of throwing stones at each other, but we concentrate in a positive way, in a positive attitude towards finding out ways and means, policies, how to lift the people, how to help the people, how to raise the standard of the people of the state. And especially with your candidate winning the election, will lift the living standard of your locality. I'm very surprised to see that the ruling party in the state, though I don't want to share much, but since it has come out in the newspaper, it seems that they are very shaky and also very desperate. Because why? They know that the people have realized that nothing has been achieved through the functioning of the Congress government in the state. And from all fronts, let it be education, let it be health sector, let it be agricultural sector, let it be urban sectors which we are here in, let it be employment, development, nothing concrete has been achieved, except the government is interested to hold festivals every now and then to let our youth to those kind of festivals which are not helping any of us for the development of the state. And as you can see, they have become nervous now. Because why? They know that the people of RR colony, they will reject the Congress outright in the next election. So you can see now, they are bringing people from all around, from the south, from Delhi, from the middle India, from anywhere. They come to a small state of Meghalaya, which they never bothered before. And they come here, they don't dare to call meeting also like this, is it? And it's very surprising, because I was in a Congress before, no? And even when a president of the party, Congress party, AICC, a big, large party, which he boasts about, when the president comes to Shillong, to Meghalaya, to canvass for your votes, they didn't even dare to call a public meeting, even a small meeting like this also. What they do, they know that if I call meeting, people will not come. And even if they give money also, they will not come also. Is it? What to do? Idea appeared in the minds of these Congress people. Let's call a rock concert. If we call a rock concert, our boys will go there, not to listen to your president, but to hear our music, which we people of the states love music very much. Is it? So that is the mentality, that is the approach of the present government ruled by the Congress.
Today I stand here. Every electorate, every candidate will approach you as now election has come. They will come and seek your vote. And I, Shri Ek Parnongrum from NPP, would like to see your blessing and your prayers towards me so that I can achieve my goal in this battle of 2018. So my agenda out here is that I have one agenda after another. First of all, we have discussed, and I've gone from door to door in this RR colony, and I've seen the hardship of the people of this area. And I make sure that if I'm elected, first of all, I would like to see that we start a night school so that the people of this area could achieve education. This is my first top priority, because most of the students out here, they go to work in the daytime, but they could not achieve any more education. They are having discussion with me. They said, sir, if you come to power, see that we can also avail education. Second thing, I would like to see that CCTV will be provided in this colony. As I've discussed with the society, this is very important. And thirdly, about law and order problem, we will try to make this area a better place by helping the healthcare, so that from dispensary to a PHC, I would assure that I will follow up. I think it's still pending under the health department. And also water problem, which we are facing. If elected, I shall call the very first day the engineers and the officers of the PHE so that we can solve this problem of water. And regarding widening of road from MES towards the petrol pump, that issue also has been raised by the people staying there. They said, sir, if you can make that road because it's very narrow and it's very difficult during the rainy time. And I assure that if I'm elected, and if the moment I'm elected, I shall call the officers from the PWD department so that we can solve this problem at that time. We have faced this problem for 5 years. I don't know what had happened with the present MLA. They said that they have requested him for quite a number of times, but we are just getting lectures after lectures and no development at all. So this time around, I'm assured to all the people of my constituency, if you have faith in me, trust me that on the 27th of this day, you please go to your area, to the polling booth and put your vote, stamp your vote on the book. I once again repeat that if I'm elected as your representative, I will work hand in hand all the Darbars Nong. Without the Darbars Nong, I will not be able to do any development in the area because we need to have we have to work hand in hand together. So at this point of time, NPP is coming to power. As you all know, that we are also very lucky to have an experienced leader like Prostun Tsong, who is going to lead us and who will be the Chief Minister candidate. And we have also have our Nongthymmai MP, who is also very young and dynamic leader. So I wish the people of RR Colony and the people of 21 Nongthymmai to see that there will be a change in this area, and also that you will vote and you will vote to NPP. I wish that in this day that NPP will come in power.